Turning on a brand new smartphone always brings a sense of excitement, especially when that device is packed with features that go far beyond the basics. The Samsung Galaxy S26 and Galaxy S26 Ultra are excellent examples of how modern smartphones are evolving. While many people focus on improvements like faster processors or upgraded cameras, these devices also include a wide range of smart tools designed to enhance privacy, customization, performance, and everyday convenience. One of the most notable additions in the Galaxy S26 lineup is a new approach to protecting personal information. Smartphones store an enormous amount of sensitive data, from private messages to financial details, so keeping that information secure is more important than ever. Samsung has introduced a feature that acts almost like a built-in privacy shield for the display. When Privacy Display is activated, the screen becomes much harder for others nearby to view clearly. The person holding the phone can still see everything normally, but anyone looking from the side will struggle to read what's on the screen. This feature becomes incredibly useful in public spaces such as trains, buses, airports, or coffee shops. In crowded environments where people are sitting close together, it prevents others from casually glancing at messages, emails, or personal documents. It may seem like a small change, but it can play a major role in keeping personal information protected in everyday situations. Another privacy-focused improvement comes in the form of secure notifications. On many smartphones, notifications appear directly on the lock screen along with message previews. While convenient, this can also expose private conversations if someone else happens to see the screen. Secure notifications solve this problem by ensuring that alerts remain visible only to the phone's owner. Users can also adjust how notifications appear by choosing different pop-up styles that balance accessibility and privacy. Beyond security, the display itself is one of the standout features of the Galaxy S26 series. Both models support a crisp QHD FUV resolution, delivering incredibly sharp visuals whether you're watching videos, browsing images, or playing games. The level of detail and color clarity creates a more immersive viewing experience that truly highlights the power of modern smartphone displays. To get the most out of the screen, enabling adaptive brightness is highly recommended. This feature automatically adjusts the brightness level based on the surrounding environment. For example, when stepping outdoors under bright sunlight, the screen increases brightness to remain easy to read. In darker environments, it lowers brightness to reduce eye strain and conserve battery power. The display also includes a dynamic color tone adjustment feature. This system subtly shifts the screen's color temperature depending on lighting conditions throughout the day. The result is a display that feels more natural and comfortable for extended use, whether you're reading, browsing, or watching content. Customization is another area where Samsung continues to stand out. Smartphones have become deeply personal devices, and the Galaxy S26 series provides several creative ways to tailor the experience. One particularly impressive tool is the AI-powered Creative Studio. Instead of searching online for wallpapers, users can simply type a prompt and allow the phone to generate unique wallpaper designs. This feature makes it easy to create completely original backgrounds that reflect personal style. The lock screen can also feel more interactive thanks to the weather effect feature. This function adds animated weather visuals directly to the lock screen based on real-time conditions. If it's raining outside, raindrop animations may appear. If the weather is sunny, brighter visuals take over. It's a subtle addition, but it makes the device feel more connected to the real world. When it comes to performance, the Galaxy S26 series is designed to be fast and efficient, but a few built-in tools can make things even smoother. One of the most useful features is RAM+. This option allows the phone to temporarily use part of its storage as additional virtual memory. By expanding available RAM, the phone handles multitasking more efficiently, allowing users to switch between apps more quickly without slowdowns. Device Care is another helpful tool included in the system. This feature continuously monitors the phone's health by tracking battery usage, storage space, and memory performance. It can automatically manage background processes that might otherwise slow down the device. Adding Device Care widgets to the home screen allows users to check the system's status or optimize performance instantly with a single tap. Of course, photography remains one of the biggest reasons people upgrade to a flagship phone, and the Galaxy S26 series offers powerful camera capabilities. Users can choose between 50 megapixel and 200 megapixel photo modes depending on the scene. The 200MP option captures extremely detailed images, making it ideal for landscapes, architecture, or situations where fine detail matters. Video recording has also been improved with several helpful tools. Composition guides can be enabled to assist with framing shots more accurately, making it easier to keep subjects aligned and balanced. Another feature called Horizon Lock helps maintain level footage when recording while walking or moving, reducing the tilt that often appears in handheld videos. Audio recording has also seen meaningful improvements. A feature called Audio Eraser helps reduce unwanted background sounds such as wind, traffic, or crowd noise. By minimizing these distractions, recordings become clearer and more suitable for interviews, voice notes, or video content creation. Artificial intelligence plays a central role in many of the Galaxy S26 features as well. Samsung's voice assistant, Bixby, has received upgrades that improve both speed and voice recognition accuracy. One of the most useful changes is the ability to process certain tasks offline, even without an internet connection. The assistant can still respond to many commands, making it more reliable in areas with limited connectivity. Searching the device has also become easier with a tool called Finder. Instead of opening multiple apps to locate files, photo settings, Finder scans the entire phone and quickly presents results. It can even include helpful suggestions from the web, making it a convenient all-in-one search tool. Another smart feature called Now Brief keeps users informed throughout the day. It can be customized to show useful updates such as weather forecasts, news highlights, traffic conditions, or reminders like parking alerts. All of this information appears in one convenient place for quick access. Managing voice messages has also become more convenient with voicemail transcription. This feature automatically converts voice messages into text, allowing users to read them instead of listening. It's especially helpful during meetings or in noisy environments where playing audio may not be practical. Overall, the Galaxy S26 series focuses on delivering a more intelligent and personalized smartphone experience. With enhanced privacy features, powerful display technology, creative customization tools, improved performance management, advanced cameras, and smarter AI capabilities, these devices offer far more than simple hardware upgrades. Exploring these built-in features right after setting up the phone can reveal capabilities that many users never discover. By taking advantage of these tools, everyday tasks become easier, faster, and more secure, allowing users to truly unlock the full potential of their device.